Hello pretties, we are so excited to finally share with you all our newest collection from Pretty Presets. And just like all of our other collections, this one is full of one-click enhancements that transform your photos from dull and ordinary to polished and pretty. Introducing the clean and colorful collection of Lightroom presets from Pretty Presets. So let's take a look at this collection. We're really going to dive in and show you all of the goodness that our clean and colorful collection contains. So of course we have a few images here that we're going to go through and see some beautiful before and afters from some of the presets from this collection. So again, we're super excited to share. Let's go ahead and take a look at our first image. Now, this image was edited with the Patina preset. So let's take a look at the before. This is our before image, and we were able to edit it with one quick click. Take a look at that. And let's just browse through real quick. I'm going to scroll down all of the presets in this collection. Notice how each one is super complementary to this image. With just one quick click and you're done. So this collection contains 9 presets that quickly and beautifully polish your images so you can save yourself time and unnecessary headaches. So let's see this collection put into action, shall we? We're going to move on to this next image and apply Soleil. Gorgeous. I'm loving it. Okay, so again, we can just scroll right down through here and see all the beautiful looks and how each one is just so complementary to this image and to all of the images that we have open for a quick preview for you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply Crystal Springs to this one. Ta-da! Super easy, real quick, before and after. And moving right along, we're gonna add clean, rich color. And again, I just love scrolling through these, and you guys can see how super complementary each and every preset is. And so let's add clean, bright color to this image. And it's important to know that each preset, on top of just being one quick click, they're also completely customizable. So we've just added this particular preset, and I'm thinking we just want to bring up the exposure just a little bit. So I'm going to click on the exposure slider here and just bring that up a little bit. Completely customizable. It just builds on top of the enhancement that you've already added. So super fun to play with. This was so much fun. Thank you guys for tuning in and taking a look at this super awesome preview of our clean and colorful collection of presets for Lightroom. And we can't wait to see you all back here again with Pretty Presets. Bye, you guys.